Click on the link below to get price. The Greesum outdoor storage shed, measuring 6 by 4 feet, is designed to provide an all-weather solution for organizing tools and garden essentials. Crafted from durable resin, this storage unit is meant to help users effectively manage outdoor storage needs, whether for gardening supplies, lawn equipment, or seasonal items. At first glance, the Greesum shed presents a sleek and modern exterior that integrates well with various outdoor aesthetics. The resin material offers several advantages, including resistance to rust, rot, and fading, which can often be concerns with traditional wooden or metal sheds. This feature makes it a viable option for those looking to maintain a tidy outdoor space with minimal maintenance. One of the standout features of this storage shed is its floor. The inclusion of a solid base not only ensures stability but also protects items stored within from moisture and pests. Additionally, the shed's design includes an easy-access door that provides ample space for entering and retrieving tools or equipment. The dimensions of 6 by 4 feet offer enough room for essential items while ensuring that it remains compact in various outdoor settings. In terms of assembly, the Greesum shed is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The instructions are straightforward, allowing for a relatively hassle-free setup process. Most users find that they can construct the shed within a few hours, especially with the help of a second person. This convenience is particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have extensive DIY experience, as it does not require specialized tools. Once assembled, the shed proves to be versatile for a variety of uses. It can effectively store gardening tools, outdoor furniture cushions, and even pool supplies, depending on one's specific requirements. The all-weather capabilities mean that users can feel confident that their belongings will remain protected from the elements. In summary, the Greesum outdoor storage shed offers a practical solution for those in need of additional outdoor storage space. Its durable resin construction, thoughtful design features, and user-friendly assembly process make it a noteworthy consideration for anyone looking to enhance organization in their yard or garden area. As with any storage solution, evaluating personal needs and space constraints will be beneficial in determining if this shed aligns with one's requirements.